celebrate their unique creativity and style on this stage, we welcome to the stage Coach Alexander and his incredible team, Team Revengers. Feel free to get set and play when ready, friends.
Team Revengers approaching the starting line. Taking a pose.
Very dramatic start to this event here today.
Flexing their muscles. This is a confident team. No nerves. Even though they've never seen this course before today, they have no nerves. They're doing a slow jump over that first hurdle.
Just leaping over that hurdle.
Making
like
it look
was
effortless.
nothing. A bit of a competition.
They're clearly not happy with themselves there. That big puppet is not happy about tripping on that hurdle. It looks like, oh no, it looks like they might have injured themselves. That not ankle is not an ankle. They've got the balance beam now. They're approaching that tightrope, looking down, seeing.
Limping a little bit from their injury. We'll see how this affects them as they move on.
It's a bad time to get an ankle injury. You can see that it's still kind of weak, but they're powering through. Clearly the adrenaline is getting looks like they just hang on to lead in the first obstacle. That ankle is going to be a problem. Are they going to make it through this course as they approach this dramatic acting moment?
You can see, you can almost taste the despair in this puppet right now.
Oh, and it looks like the puppet is blaming the team for its injury. Looking up at its controllers with such anger and fury. How did you do this to me? We don't understand it. Look at that, look at that.
Look at that beautiful teamwork as the team helps the puppet.
Now we might be seeing another pole vault instance over here, or oh, making a bridge. Very smart. That puppet knows that with that difficulty in its angle, it might not be able to stick a landing with a large leap, so it's going to try to walk across this balance beam.
It's a little unsteady.
Oh!
It's really nice in the air.
It knows that it's the one in charge. Now,
Carefully
using the
placing the stacking box and going for that second box. What shape are they going to make here today?
Amazing maneuver. And look at that. Just treating the roller ball like it's their plaything. They know they need to go across this, but it never said that it had to be rolla and bola when it happened.
We've seen a lot of teams use this course really to their advantage, manipulate the course in ways that we haven't seen before.
It's possible to continue. Are using it for nesting materials. Up to the top of the slide, testing how frictionful the slide might be to know how fast they're going to go down. Taking a seat. It's so cool. This puppet is having a good time.
Lifting themselves up onto that dance platform to prepare for this new element here in the competition.
music here. And the team, go ahead and safely, if you don't mind, so you can use the ramp here. Come on over this way, or maybe, may I ask your help, sir? Is it okay? We can have you do this with help. That way we can have you over here in these chairs. Can you help spot them as they come down? Thank you, Mr. Flash. Perfect. Come on down, head over, quick interview while they deliberate. Thank you, thank you. One more time, give it up for this amazing.
I'm going to start by asking all of your individual names so that we can cheer for each of you individually.
I'm John.
John. Bryant. And Julianne. Team I want to talk to the coach here and ask, what obstacle did you feel you needed the most preparation for coming out into this arena today?
I would say it would probably be the swing, just because that's so new, but that was incredible what they did. They did all that on their own.
Team, we saw a little bit of a conflict happening between yourselves and the puppet. Can you tell us a little bit about what's going on there and how things are now that the run has been completed?
I didn't really expect him to start talking too much.
In all my years of doing this, I've never had a subject break the fourth wall like that.
How are you all as a team now with the puppet? Have things been resolved after your run?
We had a good talk about what not to do.
Well, I am glad that you preserved this relationship with this puppet, and you'll see why in just a second. Judges, can you please, on the count of 3, share your decision with our audience? 1, 2, 3. For the first time ever,